Hey, this is Math students. Welcome to homework 9.4, measure of center. It's practice homework. It's due tomorrow. So, do problem link number 1. It says determine the mean of the following numbers. We know that the mean means we need to add them up and divide by how many numbers there are. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 numbers. That means we'll find a subtotal. The subtotal happens to be 205, and we'll divide that by 5. And when I do that, I get my answer of 41. Please circle it. And then on the bottom, you're going to find 41. You're going to say, oh, that's D, right? You're going to cross that off. And you're going to say on number 1, D, right? So you're going to be answering the riddle, where can you buy a ruler that is 3 feet long? Okay? Problem like number 3. It says a 6th number will be added to the list. What must it be in order to find the mean to be 12? So we've done this before. Again, we're working with mean, so we'll eventually divide. We'll be dividing by 6 because we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 numbers, but we're going to add a 6th number. We don't know what that number is supposed to be. So let's find the subtotal of this, which happens to be 56. So we say 56 plus x divided by 6 is equal to, and we want the mean to be 12, right? So equal to 12. Now we just solve this. We say times 6 times 6. These cancel off. So I'm left with 56 plus x is equal to 72. And then I'd subtract 56 from both sides. So x in this case is equal to 16. So let's circle our answer. Let's go down and find 16, and it's A, great. So wherever I see 3, I'll put an A. So an A there, an A there, an A there, and an A there. So 4 A's. How about that? Right. Up to number 5, it says determine the median of the following numbers. So median, remember, we have to order from least to greatest. So let's just put order right there. Remember that we need to order them from least to greatest. So our first number is going to be 39. Then we're going to have 40 and 44. Notice I cross them off as I do that. Then we have 49. Then we have 50. Then we have 54 and 56. Then we have 61, 62. And finally we have 68. Alright, so notice I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 numbers, so that means 2 numbers will be in the center, right? So as I cross off 1 and 1, 2, 2, 3, and 3, 4, and 4, I have 50 and 54 in the center. So I just add those together, 50 plus 54, and then I divide by 2. And when I get that, I get my answer of 52. That's my answer. Sorry. Here, let's put actual letters here. So this is going to be letter R down at the bottom. This was letter A. That way I can keep track of the ones I've used. So letter A, I used letter R, 52. So on 5, I put R. All right. Let's do number 7. It says the following list has a median of 43. What would be the new median if 21 is added to the list? All right. So again, since it's median, right, we're going to want to order it from least to greatest first. So let's see, 21 would be the new smallest number. So 21, and then followed by 23, 27, 28. Then we have 31, 38. Then we have 48 and 50. 52, 56, and finally 57. Alright, so how many numbers do I have? I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So because I have 11, there should be just one number in the middle. 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5. 38 is my median. Right. So 38 is your answer, and that is letter choice L. Right, so we'll go down, cross off 38, and then wherever we see 7, put L. Right, you're going to do the evens. Let's go to the back side. All right, so on the back side, again, we got some pretty easy problems here related to mean, median, and the center. So it says the following data represents the scores given by 12 skating judges. The final score is determined by eliminating the lower and upper extreme. So highlight that. Eliminating the lower and upper extreme scores and finding the mean of the remaining scores. So basically, you're going to say, okay, what was the smallest score? Get rid of that. And what was the biggest score? Get rid of that. Now just find the mean for the remaining scores, right? So we add up these remaining scores because we've eliminated the lowest and the highest. We got 82 as our answer, and then we divide by how many scores were left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And so we get 8.2, right? All right, let's move down to number 3. It says, examine the following wages 6 factory workers earn per hour. What is the median wage? Again, highlight median, and remember that you want to order them, right? So these are not ordered, so let's go ahead and do that first. Well, hold on, wait a second. They are ordered. How about that? So 1, 1, 2, 2. You're left with those two. So you got 1080 plus 11 divided by 2. Gives your answer of 1090. Lucky for us, they were ordered, so C is your answer there. And number 5, what is the median of the following data set? Again, highlight the word median. Make sure you know you have to make sure everything's ordered. In this case, 12, 15, 15, not ordered, right? So let's order them. So the lowest is 9.5, then 10.5, then 12.5, then 13, then 15, and then 15.5. Right. All right, so I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 numbers. That means 2 will get crossed off on each side, and I'll be left with those 2. So I'm doing 12.5 plus 13 divided by 2, because I had 2 left in the center. I get my answer of 12.75. All right, that's it. You're going to go ahead and do the rest. Number 6 is asking for the mean, so you're going to add them up and divide by how many you have, and it says the extreme outlier, so the one that does not make sense. So you're not going to include 25, so that means you're actually going to divide by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 instead of 6, right? On number 4, it's asking you for the mean, and there's 8 participants, so you're going to divide by 8. And on this one, obviously, it's going to say mean, and there's 7 days, so divide by 7. That's it. Call me if you have questions.